Artificial champions, this our victory lap. Don't know what the fuck is up, here's a little recap. Fuck you, there, not that you're all caught up. Go and show respect to the ones who are next on up. I shine brighter than the sun does. You can get blinded like the weekend with the insomnia. Talk shit and I'ma whoop all your little dumb fucks. Now you can't fuck with me, you stupid motherfuckers. You stars on your face like Pacino. Oh, you got jokes, king of comedy like De Niro. Calling me a clown, I'm offended like Joe Pesci. Can't hang with the good fellas, get the party like Scorsese. When we on stage, yeah, we want y'all to scream loud. Throw your hands up, sing along with us and be wild. Motherfuck the ones who say that we ain't shit. Say it like D. Snyder, we're not gonna take it. Feel it in the air, I feel that energy. I use it on the beats and against my enemies. I gather all my thoughts and spit it on the mic. Got me singing like, whoa. Feel it in the air, I feel that energy. I use it on the beats and against my enemies. I gather all my thoughts and spit it on the mic. Got me singing like, whoa.
Downright Olympians, gold medals, we win that. Up left, who's next? Silver medals and rejects. Bulldozer through the competition, y'all just fat. You cuck, you stuck, look at your girl suck on my nutsack. Now say it in French, better yet say it again in Spanish. My country knows Dominican, but I speak another language, fucking Italian. Now don't associate me with no fucking American. Races and cloaks that traverse these lands. Blue eye, yellow hair, trashy Anglo-Saxon. All those that fled, all those that were bred. Don't forget the almighty that were brought here by force. They handle white man, please do our chores. Killing, skin, raping, lynching. That's all we ain't been stealing. Fucking really, then whose land is this originally? Alright, I know I'm running off course. We go off fast like the fucking Speed Force. No flash, filling the banks quicker than Usain Bolt. Wading victorious waters like Michael Phelps on dope. Wait, excuse me, are y'all on coke? Bitch, of course. We pulled it from the Caribbean, fresh off the boat.
I use it on the beats and against my enemies. I gather all my thoughts and spit it on the mic. Got me singing like, whoa. Feel it in the air, I feel that energy. I use it on the beats and against my enemies. I gather all my thoughts and spit it on the mic. Got me singing like, whoa. Salutes to the goats who inspired us. We give thanks for the art that you have provided us. Every time I'm face to face with the mic, I get fired up. You won't get the chance to be on top when I'm climbing up. Call me Godzilla cause I spit fire and I'm a king ho. What's a king to a gun when you can be a symbol? On my dark night shit, I can die a hero or live long enough to die tragically from my evils. In the fist fight with my demons, shake to the heart with the southpaw. Beat the motherfuckers till they bleed and then I drive the bitches like RuPaul. Then I keep hitting, then I keep kicking, then I shout them and get them they mouth off. Then I finish the job, then I walk off. Have a moment of peace and I walk on. I can't wait to do when I write down my lyrics. Sorry, I can't help myself. It lifts up my spirits. Either be an imposter or just be who I am. I'd rather be a real one cause I know I'm the man.
Eat you at races like OJ beat white people in cases. Pop up on your radar like gnats all on your faces. Acting all surprised with the Bosch facelift. Ayo, something about this bitch with the Botox injection. Not a Nicki Minaj, but the one that's fronting towards my direction. Your plastic surgery is just a fraction of our failure. Adds himself to the equation through subtraction. Enter the championship with a pound of yayo, or was it oregano? Boy, they'll never know. Used to bitch caught back in 96 using testosterone. Life's a trip, but you'd rather be stuck on that antidote shit. Pull out the 666 and let it burn through your little prick. Your ass clenched like Jesus on that cross stitch. Reincarnation of Punchy's pilot. Murderous, I admit, freeze tag was always it frozen but stayed lit. Head in the fridge. Hell is body under the bridge. While a masturbator of outrageous flicks. Terminator of your whole team. When I pull the switch, he'll flip. You like Birdhouse? No, I fuck with Death Wish. Nina and me hanging with vegans and vegetarians. Jamie, a fellow Floridian. Lizard King, ruler amongst men and reptilians. Like Vigo when he films these 2016s in alternate realities. Could have had them weak in the knees. Like Jaws on that shit happened to his teeth. Now look in the mirror and what do you see? The same thing caused by me and the AI team.